Today is kind of cloudy. It's been a minute since I upload any videos. Has some new P1 seat for the green frog. Finally took the top off as it get a little bit warmer here in North Carolina. And that's the top. Originally it's blue and wrapped carbon fiber. That's my spare 1ZZ motor out of 2003. Got some spare tires, extra seat. These are the seats out of the green frog. That's my little boy, he don't feel good. Just finally put it in yesterday. Got plenty of room right here. They're not brand new. I got it used on the marketplace, but it's still durable. Still look good, still clean. Still for sale if anybody want it. The seat suit the car pretty good. I like it, even though it's used. All right, that's all I got. Peace.